Hello everyone, it's G. Let's make a visual effect about fire breath. Uh, Now you can see so overcome what's that? Mm, we use Paragon character in this our engine 5.6 version. Mm, Later I will show you step by step how we can do it. Mm. Now, from the different angle, you see that the real-time effect. Now, let's go to mail map. I get the reference by different game or the other one the tutorial. Mm, You can see sphere or the reference, whatever. Now we have to install the Paragon assets on our Unreal Engine 5. Mm, You can see in these assets there is a lot used for shader and mm, and texture. Now let's make a folder in here. We set name sequence and the level sequence, and later we will put the character animation in there. Let's find this character. I remember the name is Fire, ability Fire. Okay. Let's see, let's draw into our sequence. Ability Fire, 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 Breath. Okay, that's animation. Actually, it's unnecessary operation to modify the night, the direction source night, but it's a wrong uh, step. Anyway, doesn't matter. Let's go to Niagara system, empty. Delay that. Okay, now I I hide the director source night and add a radius night in our map. Oh, now you can see the shader from this paragon set. We will use this set to make our fire element. One of the elements, and we will add some parametry in there, especially speed. Just okay. Let's import to
get
mesh in
material
our
instance.
sets. Also, I will update
Oops.
the to mesh in Google Drive. You can download it. Import. Really simple mesh. Just I can't cost a lot of time to make this video, The mesh builder. Generally, I do this by Houdini, but if I install that mesh tutorial, my tutorial generally will be, become so big. So, okay, let's put a fountain, enter, mesh render in here, and to open that and add in material. Now we will make that shader by this paragon set. What's okay? Delay. Draw a Niagara system in our map and nearby this character, no, this monster, mouse, and add initial orientation. Just try different angle, then you get it right. Mm, okay, we'll use this one, duplicated, and get material instance. You can see there are a lot parameters in there. Just a few parameters we'll use. Test. Draw left, draw right. Mm, for the fisherman in our engine, you should know what's that mean. So if you are junior with a fair artist, it's better to watch material inside to understand what's that. But for me, okay, just do it because before I already see what's that mean. Okay, at the so we get this component in our map. We close at our overcome. That's good. But you should know what that means by VFX language. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Scroll up. No, it's no work. The reason is we didn't add particle color in material. Okay, let's add. Let's add. They just had vertical color. It's my first time to do the tutorial like this, so everything I just try. Add. We got MC corner and opacity like this. Okay. Hmm, this work. Okay, then copy this one and add a sphere mesh in there. You can see what's going on. Let's go into the other one material. Mm, Add some speed in there. Then we'll use material instance assign, just more convenient for us. Material. I can see shader is uh, is is less complicated. You should know what that means. For my tutorial, I just skip. So if you want to learn something about material or shader, you could search something like shader in YouTube bars, and you can get a lot of useful information. Or you can check the Epic official website. Also, that's a lot that information. But generally, for my way, I just learned by the other YouTuber. Yeah. Also, for my way to learn visual effects is from YouTube. So now I'm going to make visual effects tutorial in this YouTube. Okay, add some cloud speed in there. Do, do, do. Good. This means where you're from. It's primarily from Group Cloud, Cloud A. Let's go. Let's let's have fire or fire energy shader. Even I didn't change the texture. Okay, try. Left or the right. Oh, I forget this one. So also coming into parameter normal or noise. Okay. Current texture field power. Now you can see what's the color even right. It should be close between red and orange. No, this one. Ooh, I'm going to change the preview environment. Close. Now you can see better than before, but there is a bag of surgery. Yeah, let's talk about our Engine 5.6. I don't know why, but before, like our Engine 5, generally all of the version, I didn't make this problem. No, it's back. I hope some of the Epic IT will figure out this problem. Yeah, so we're back before. Mesh scale XYZ. 0.5, 0.5, maybe 3. Okay, I got this one. Wrong direct. Okay, change the corner. Ooh, hmm, it's so shining. Hmm, that's right, position. Ooh. Now we got two component values with effect. Wow, a direct, a direct slide is a suck. So I gave up. Just it's just a night set. Port night. Mm, cruise. Uh, it's wrong way to show your with effect. Uh, you could not do this, but just if you want, okay, you can do it. Just this is unnecessary. It's the wrong way, man. It's the way I went, and I told you it's the wrong way. So you know what you should do. Mm, and duplicated around the material instance. What I'm looking for? Oh, different character. Boo, 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 boo. Let's try. This no bad. Okay. But for you guys, also, you could try different texture and you will get awesome visual effects than mine. mm, Fire spray. Let's see. Speed of flow is so slowly. You know, in the first or beginning to do this with effect, it's better to just make your shader or your material become slowly. It's better to let you know what's that and see the detail clearly. Okay. Save, save, save. Actually, it's wrong. Texture easier. It's the same. But, uh, but it's fine now. Maybe you will make this better. Yeah, of course. For me, I just show you how to do that, and I'm sure you will do better than me. Also, it's a meaning. I am doing tutorial. I hope someone do better than me. Then I can learn from this guy. That will be so cool. No bad now. From this way, just use a mesh to do this with effect. It will reduce computer CPU running. Yeah, generally, before we will use a lot springs for this one Firebase, but now you can see different way to do that. Also in the game project is better than Sprint render. But also later I will use that Sprint render. Yeah, just as a fashion way. Double kill, maybe so high in there. Mm, test. Ooh, pink one. Absolutely wrong. Now let me think about the Amsterdam style. mm, Yeah, I will say this component to be dark. Then you can see what's going on. Now I'm doing just a test, different thought. Okay, I'm back. Now you can get the dark one by this way. Maybe someone will ask you why your Niagara preview is different with okay, now it's the same. Oh, now it's different. Okay, we are same now. Ooh, function. I'm going to make a fire small sprint. Check the color right. Mm, scale corner to the curve and check size. 120. Yeah, random carbon force. Ooh, now it's right floor. Check, check the time or knife right. By this way you can get the hemisphere different. Mm, not bad. Oh, oh man, what's going on? Let's draw to attach in there. And import field. As they again and putting forward. Uh, and material in there. Flip book. We can make this flip book by Houdini, but now it's and the right time to show you how to do that. Just it will cost a lot of time. If you are interested in this way, you can search Houdini explosion tutorial. Yeah, there are lots on YouTube. Flat normal, particular, and circular, and alpha channel, yeah. Da, 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 da. Flat normal. Oh, absolutely wrong. That's that's safe because alpha shadowed by the first texture yeah unexist. Okay. Copy is wrong. Generally the velocity and the gravity force is right, so we just copy that then. Setting a different sub UV 8 8 plus 8 setting 4. Ooh, it's so small. Just make them bigger. Finish. And just see what's going on. Yeah, it's a way to debug. Copy all the one sprint render and you just create the shader and you can see that. Ooh. It's alright. So we do the shader by this way. Ooh. too much. I change the render order. Make this enter set in the back. And also scale sprint size. Good. You can see in front of the mouse it's round. So we set different elements about this sprint render. So now we go to the right one. Ooh,